Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Chime's expense tracking feature. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to log into your Chime account. You just want to open the Chime mobile app on your mobile device and log into your account using your login credentials. And then step 2 is to navigate to the expense tracking section. So you just want to tap transaction in the bottom navigation bar, and then you want to choose the expense option, and then you're here. Moving on to step 3, which is to categorize transactions. Here you can review your recent transactions. You can also assign categories to each transaction, such as food, expense, entertainment, transportation, or whatever. And step 4 is to set a budget. So you can just assign budget amounts to each category and monitor your spendings throughout the month with track spendings. Now the 5th step is to receive budget alerts. You want to customize alerts. You can set up alerts to notify you when you exceed a budget category. You also receive alerts. You can get notified when you've gone over budget. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Chime's expense tracking feature. Hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.